decorations are still drying, but while they are ready, let's go. Letting my sister rate my fidgets. Okay, so what'd you rate this?
Like a 2.
A 2 out of 10?
Yeah, it annoys me.
Okay. About Piggy?
1 out of 10.
What? The Tangle?
0 out of 10, it annoys me.
Making this out of this. A circle out of a plastic bottle. Cut out a circle, you're going to want to like trim the edges because some of these are a little bit weird. What mine looks like now. People put like the bottle ring around it, but I find it just easier to do this. Also, this makes a better click instead of this bit. But yes, hope this helps.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing actual fidget trading with my sister. Her account's in the caption. She's going to offer first. She's seeing what she has to offer. She's offering a marble mesh, and I kind of really want that. I'm going to put up a blue water snake.
Maybe add a little bit more.
I'm going to add this blue slime ball.
I'm definitely gonna accept.
Really?
Yeah. That was
I have a
really
marble mesh. So happy with that trade. Now I'm going to offer. Okay, so I'm going to offer this grape Orbeez squishy. I like this a lot, but I don't play with it that much. She's offering a fidget spinner and a fidget cube, and can you add a little bit more? She offered that pink Orbeez squishy. I'll accept.
Oh my god.
That was an okay trade. She's offering now. Oh my god, she's offering a bicycle trade, and I really want that. I'm going to add a blue snake and a pop tube.
Add a little more, please.
I'm going to add an egg squishy and a homemade stress ball. I'm going to take off the snake.
Yes.
Come back for part 2.
Do-it-yourself flower stress balls. Gather all of your supplies like balloons, flour, utensils, and a funnel. You need to stretch out your balloon, blow the balloon up, and let the air out multiple times to stretch it out. Pro tip, don't actually use a funnel. I realized very quickly on that it's much faster to get a plastic water bottle and cut half of it off. The hole's a lot bigger, so the flour goes through quicker. It's okay if the top gets a hole, just tie the knot as tight as you can. So this one turned out pretty good, but I wanted to try again with a confetti balloon. I was excited to see how it'd look and feel. Pro tip, don't squeeze the balloon before it's tied. So my do-it-yourself ones are super tiny, but I'm happy with them.
Your favorite fidget toy. Your least favorite fidget toy. The one that helps you fall asleep at night. Your first fidget toy. The fidget toy you have the most of. The fidget toy that you have 2 of. Show a green fidget toy. Show your favorite squishy, stress ball, or putty. Show a fidget toy that has 2 colors. Show a fidget toy that has metal in it. Show your newest fidget toy. Show a fidget toy you want more of. Show a fidget toy that stretches. Please use a sound.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you my new fidget toy set. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness, there's so much. Let's see. So it came in this huge bag, so let's open the bag. What? Look at how many things there are. Let's show you what I got. First, I got these snapping clicks. These are so cool. So 2 of those. A bunch of these monkey noodles, but they're usually bigger. But that's okay. They came with 3 mesh and marbles, 2 Rubik's Cubes, a bike chain, 2 of these foam stress balls, a pea popper. I already have one, so maybe I can give this one to a friend. 2 keychain puzzle balls, 2 of these marble mazes, and their keychains. And it looks like they're a heart. So cute. A bunch of mochis to add to my collection. It looks like I got an infinity cube. Ooh, this one's super good.
Hey guys, this is owner number 2, and I'm going to be showing you how to make these little twisty things. And today I'm going to be showing the stretchy one. To be honest, you can make it out of any string. Like this one's made out of pipe cleaner. But today I'm going to be showing you how to make it out of this string. Here's what you're going to be needing: the beads and any string. Start by placing your first colored bead on. It should look like this. Now place the second one, but don't put it all the way down. Take the other side of the string and place it through the bead, and then pull. I'm going to show you one more time. Place it, but not all the way. Now take the other side of the string and place it through the bead and pull. Once you're done, tie it and cut off the excess, and then you're done. Hi, so me and the other owner made a couple videos on that subject, but I will show you some more. So the first one I recommend is this little bead thing. I love it. And we showed a tutorial on it a couple videos ago, and it's just super quiet and you can just keep playing with it, and it's pretty small. The second one is a slider. I also really recommend this one. It's nice and quiet, and it also keeps you focused, and it's really small. The third one I recommend is one of these squishies, or I would recommend a smaller one because this one is a bit too big, but it also helps you stay focused, and it's really nice. And lastly, I would recommend the spring because it's also really small and it's really quiet. Bye! Hope this helped.
Bună! Azi o să fac un tutorial la bite chain. Ce vă trebuie sunt niște 2 chestiuțe de astea. și un pai. Ok, acum trebuie să introduceți cele două chestii una între alta. Cam așa. Acum trebuie să tăiați în 6 bucăți paiul ăsta, cam atâta. Cam așa. Și încercați să le tăiați cât mai egale. Apoi trebuie să tăiați fiecare pai așa în mijloc. Cam așa. Apoi trebuie să introduceți pe fiecare parte, așa, un pai tăiat. Iar apoi cu celelalte două bucăți rămase le puneți așa în mijloc. Și voi trebuie și scoci, am uitat să vă spun. Apoi să puneți așa scoci pe ele și sunteți gata. Vă sugerez să puneți 2 straturi de scoci ca să fie mai rezistent. Și sunteți gata. Pentru mai multe de fidgetări, dați-mi follow ca să fiți la curent la toate chestiile care le fac.
Use the sound if you own any fidget toys. Show off a red fidget toy. Show off a squishy. Show off any textured fidget toy. Show off a DIY fidget toy. Show off a fidget toy you recommend. Show a fidget toy that gets dirty easily. Show off any slime or putty. Show a yellow fidget toy. Show a quiet fidget toy. Show off a loud fidget toy. Show a fidget toy that's just eh. Show off one of your favorite fidget toys. A fidget toy that's broken. Show off one of your least favorite fidget toys. Show off a fidget toy you don't think that much people have. Show off a fidget toy that breaks easily. Show your first fidget toy. And then finally, show off one of your latest fidget toys.
I think I'm gonna try and trade this poppet. I really like circular poppets, but at the same time it has 5 holes in it, so I think I can get some better fidget toys for it. Trading a poppet, going once, going twice, going 3 times?
Me!
Okay, what's your offer?
How about a marble mesh, 2 spiky balls, and a homemade poppet?
That's a pretty good offer, but can you maybe add a little bit?
I'll also add these 3 mochis.
If this was my square poppet, I probably wouldn't do it, but since this poppet is like kind of broken, I think I'm gonna do it. You've got yourself a deal.
OMG, thank you so much.
I actually really like this homemade poppet. It's pretty cool. I'm actually pretty happy for this trade, so I think I'm gonna try and trade these mochis. Trading mochis, going once.
OMG, me please.
Okay, what would you offer?
This black bite chain and 4 monkey noodles.
That's actually a pretty good offer, but can you maybe add a little bit?
Okay, I'll have this Rubik's Cube.
I guess I'll do it. I'm actually pretty happy about this trade. Some nice adds to my fidget collection. Bye, and thank you so much.
If you hit it one more time, you're grounded. If you hit it one more time, I'm taking all your toys. If you hit it one more time, I'm kicking you out of the house. If you hit it one more time, I'm gonna unadopt you. If you hit it one more time, Jeffy, I'm gonna take you out of school. You're never going back to school again.